So it's been about 5 weeks since I set up the Sansi 70-watt grow light over this plant, and I pruned it back, and this is all new growth. A lot of peppers on it. I'll put a link to the original video so you can see how the plant looked to begin with. So there's a lot of new growth on there. And also these plants are getting side light. This is a peri-peri plant growing out of a can. It's got a lot of flowers on it. These are two cracky plants here. These are just growing out of water bottles. This is a ghostly jalapeno. And I've got some succulents down here as well. So yeah, I'm getting a lot of fruits. I picked a bunch off of this plant, and I've got a bunch turning right. This is a cross I made of Malagueta crossed with a Kingstar white tie. So I'm going to get the F2 started soon. But yeah, the plant is doing very well, exceeding expectations. So anyway, that's my update on the Sansi 70-watt grow light. I put a link to where you can get this in the description, and I also put a link to the first video where I show the unboxing and setup. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.